Dear student, today we are going to discuss another topic of political sociology, that is the scope and the development of political sociology part 2. In part 1 we have already discussed about the development of political sociology, and in first lecture we have discussed the meaning, definition and the nature of political sociology. In the first lecture we have discussed the nature, it means whether political sociology is science or not. In second lecture we have discussed the development of political sociology. But today we are going to discuss about the origin or emergence of political sociology as a separate discipline. In this discussion we discuss first meaning and definition of political sociology in brief, and then origin of political sociology and certain causes behind the origin of political sociology, because certain causes are directly or indirectly responsible for the development of this discipline. When we talk about the political sociology, so this political sociology has basically emerged as a branch of sociology, because there has always been some sort of interrelationship between different social sciences. Any one subject can be fully understood only until the different approaches of other sciences are understood. Not only social activities are conducted within the society, but political, economic, cultural, literary, art, medical, education and religious activities are also conducted in the society. This is the reason that other disciplines were also studied by sociology in sociological perspective, and the sub branches related to all these emerged, such as medical sociology, political sociology, sociology of literature, sociology of art, sociology of religion, sociology of economy, etc. In the last few years, more emphasis has been given to interdisciplinary approach in social sciences. This is one of the important approach to study a common phenomena with the help of different branches of knowledge. The emergence of political sociology is also the result of this approach. When we talk of political processes in society, we certainly mean political sociology. Political sociology is that branch of sociology in which it is seen that what are the reasons for the distribution of power and what are the results of this division, because power and authority are the two important concepts of political science, state and nation, and similarly this power is also subject matter of sociology. We can say that political sociology studies political processes. When there is a division of power in the society, then this division can never happen without any struggle. As said by Karl Marx, Max Weber made an ideal model of dominance. He says that in any situation of dominance, there must be power. And Max Weber classified three types of power, that is traditional, charismatic and legal. It is necessary for this power to have legitimacy, and when power gets legitimacy, then there is a struggle for it. Thus, theoretically we can say that the distribution of power is never equal and struggle is inevitable, that is definite for unequal distribution in the society. When we talk about the definition and meaning of political sociology, due to political sociology being a new subject, it is a bit difficult to present its exact definition. Yet, some scholars have tried to define political sociology in their own way. Following are some of the definitions. According to Bendix, political science begins with the state and studies how the state affects society. Political sociology begins with society and studies how society affects the state and how state affects the society. Tom Bottomore, in his book Political Sociology, writes that political sociology is a discipline that is the product of the interclassical cross-fertilization between sociology and political science, and which studies the impact of politics on society and society on politics. Based on all these definitions, we can say that political sociology is a sub-discipline of sociology and political science, which studies both the sciences from first perspective, that is sociological perspective. To say that political sociology is neither sociology nor political science in its entirety. The reason for this is that it does not study only the formal institutions of state and government, nor does it study social institutions. In political sociology, politics is studied in the social context, which has a sociological perspective. In this, political problems are also studied in the social and economic environment. Its subject matter is taken from sociology and political science. It is cross-fertilization of sociology as well as political science. That is, political sociology is sub-branches of sociology as well as political science. When we discuss about the political science, the subject matter of political science is state. And in the state, we studied political institutions as well as political processes, and that is the subject matter of political science. Similarly, society is the subject matter of sociology, in which we studied social interaction, social relations, and these are the subject matter of sociology, and a branch of political science as well as a branch of sociology. It is clear from the above picture that political science and sociology are separate sciences, but there are sides of both such sciences which affects both politics and society, and these effects are studied in political sociology. So, society and state are the subject matter of political sociology. Similarly, political institutions, political structures, and social processes, social interactions, social relations are the subject matter of this political sociology. That is, emergence of political sociology is a controversial topic. Some say that before First World War, as a separate discipline, political sociology has emerged. Some scholars said that after Second World War, this a new branch of knowledge has emerged. The history of political sociology as a discipline is new, whose autonomous study analysis is prevalent in the circumstances after the First World War. Political scholars such as Lipset and Runciman have considered the origin of political sociology to be in the middle of the 19th century. But according to the Baviskar, the emergence of political sociology is the initial phase of the 1930s to 1940s, while according to Michels, it is an achievement after the Second World War. Aristotle is the first link in this series as a study of political sociology. In the words of Michels, Aristotle's work Politics can certainly be given the place of the first book related to political sociology. The scholars like Max Weber, Gaetano Mosca, Vilfredo Pareto, etc. are standing at the next step of the development sequence, in whose study methodology there is a solid evidence of sociological analysis of politics. Sociologists like Max Weber, Mosca, Robert Michels, Pareto, Durkheim have made a remarkable contribution in providing analytical theoretical basis to the study of political sociology. Due to their serious efforts, this subject helped a lot in establishing its identity as an autonomous subject after the Second World War. According to its name, the study of political sociology is a combination of both politics and society. In the background of political sociology, the interaction related to socio-political activities of human life are studied and analyzed. According to its tendency and nature, political sociology is an interdisciplinary subject which is still passing through the stage of development. Regarding its emergence, despite the differences between political scientists and sociologists on many facts, standards and practices, there is unanimity among them that the political units and political processes of democratic political systems remain dynamic continuously for the popularity, stability and continuity for their existence. Every discipline has some causes behind the emergence. Similarly, when we talk about the emergence of political sociology, there are certainly directly or indirectly causes behind the emergence or origin of this political sociology. Political sociology is a progressive discipline whose emergence and development in the field of social science is not an accident. Due to the profound impact of social system and social activities on political systems and processes, it has become imperative for scholars to study the political structure, political environment, political events, authority, power, influence, legitimacy, participation, etc. for democratic political system. Do factual and realistic study analysis of relevant dynamics context like culture in the perspective of social environment, social activities, incidents and circumstances only play the role of basic elements in determining the form of systematic politics. It means both subject matters are interrelated with political science as well as sociology. The change in the political environment as a response to the changed social conditions is actually the basis for determining the intensity or indifference of various dimensions relevant to public participation in political system and political recruitment. Political social changes have an equal contribution in the emergence and development of political sociology. Therefore, there is a demand of the subject to depict the reality of relevant development of this subject has its own political social regions. The detailed basis of factual and systematic factors related to the ground reality of the emergence and development of this new discipline is as follows. These are the causes behind the emergence or origin of the political sociology as a separate or independent or autonomous discipline. The first is deep dissatisfaction with the study method of traditional political science. The study methods of traditional political science were comprised of series of normative dimensions under which observation, historical analysis, philosophical analysis, legal analysis, analogical analysis, etc. members were used for study. These are the methods for study of political phenomena. The mindset of this study method was inspired by the normative and founder tendency, through which it was not possible to study all the dynamic context like politics, political power, political actions, reactions, creation, accumulation of political power, political influence, democracy, public opinion, voting behavior, political legitimacy. The study tends to political sociology was neither purely political nor completely sociological. It was a combination of both the subjects. The emergence and development of political sociology as a new discipline is the result of the birth of this new approach to the study, establishing equality between the interaction between society and the state and the socio-political activities and behavior of the individuals. Social interaction and political interaction, social structure and political structure, social processes and political processes are mutually interrelated in the state as well as in society. Hence, all due to these subject matter, a new branch is essential, and that branch is known as the political sociology. Second is difference between state and society. This is the important cause of emergence of this political sociology. Traditional political science and sociology, carrying the burden of the concept of difference between the state and the society, continued their journey of development for many years and were also plagued by the difference of the opinion as to which of the two should be given priority. Society is important or state is important, politics is important or social processes is important. Keeping this in mind, Lipset said that it is wrong to consider both state and society as separate independent entities and to raise the issue of which of the two is more important or whose study should be given priority. Both are important concepts, that is society for sociology and state for the political science. Based on this point of view, there are many scholars like Lipset, Mackey, Dowsey, Hughes, etc., who confirm the fact that who should be given priority between the state and the society. The long debate on this complex question has played the role of a foundation stone in the emergence and development of political sociology. There is no separate identity or entity, that is society and state both are interrelated. Hence, a new branch is needed for study of state as well as society, and that branch is known as political sociology. The origin of the interdisciplinary approach. This is a new approach to study a common phenomena with the help of different scholars of different disciplines. The development of an interdisciplinary approach to the study of the social sciences began in a gradual manner from the middle of the 19th century. In the 19th century, Karl Marx gave priority to the analysis of fact related to social events and problems in his concepts and said that keeping in mind the complexities of society, it is not possible to study, analyze and research all the facts related to society by any one social science. Many more social sciences are essential to study a common phenomena of this society. The contemporary needs of the study context have led to interdisciplinary trends in the study of political science and sociology, which resulted in the emergence of political sociology, and the tendency to analyze the individual's political life in a social context has led to this new trend. The stream of development of the subject got a new flow. And the fourth important cause behind the emergence of political sociology, growing trend of behavioral approach. Pragmatism is an orientation to social phenomena that is primarily concerned with empiricism, logical positivism and disciplined interest. This approach tries to solve political, social, economic questions, problems in a qualitative and quantitative context by adopting the psychological approach and interdisciplinary method for the study of human behavior by resorting to the qualitative method in its study method. In short, the political description of the background of the reality of political actions, behaviors was presented by the behavioral approach with the help of political experience, and this became the medium through which this subject could get the autonomous status of a new discipline. Qualitative and quantitative variables, important variables for the study, and with the help of all these variables, we develop a separate branch of knowledge, that is political sociology, through which we study the qualitative as well as quantitative variables of the society. Influence of political power and increasing scope of social concern is another one of the causes for the origin or emergence as a separate discipline like political sociology. Establishment of public welfare state and its increasing popularity in the 20th century, development oriented policies of the government, the goal of socio-economic development, poverty alleviation, liberalism, socialism, industrialization In the storm of liberalization, globalization, the influence of political rulers in the name of democracy has increased a lot on the social system, because in view of the democratization of social structure, the responsibility of governing, directing and controlling the society on political elites has increased a lot than before. And all these are the factors behind the origin of this political sociology. Due to wide expansion of political activities like suffrage, representation, mass modernization, mass participation, the distance between politics and society gradually ended, and the relationship of interactivity and interdependence between the two became stronger. As a result of this new subject was born. These are the directly or indirectly responsible causes behind the emergence or origin of the political sociology. Major activities of politics like conflict, tension, cooperation, differences, competition, power, influence, leadership, decision making are all integral part of social environment. The plant of politics grows only in the society, and its crop also expand in the society only. Politics does not exist apart from society. Political struggle and competition is the key to the emergence and expansion of power in the society, whose form depends on the mutual relations between the people and the groups living in the society. Modern political scientists view politics as a means of conducting society. Ever since, the real political person has been made the central subject of study by the realists. Since then, the direct relation of politics has been established with dynamic subjects like power, authority, influence, struggle. Society is the source of all these factors. The political responsibilities of fulfilling all the socio-political needs of man lies with the ruling elites, but the medium of its fulfillment of politics, the decision policies, behaviors, values taken by the rulers have been directly related to the society. Hence, society and politics both are interrelated. Hence, the new subject, that is political sociology, has emerged. Due to the decreasing distance between politics and society, the interference of political power in the operation of social system gradually increased. Both influence each other. As the study area of politics expanded, the interference of political power in social concern has increased. Gradually, the ever increasing interdependence between social, economic, cultural diversity and political activities depended, as a result of which tension, conflict, competition in the system at local, regional, national, international level also increased, and all these systems got involved in the competition for maximum power creation and accumulation. The mentality of emergence, accumulation, demonstration and expansion of political power had a direct impact on the social structure. In order to gain power by the leadership of political parties and pressure groups, that is caste, religion, sect, culture, etc., were used with a view to enhance their political power. Because of this, the knot of social texture at the grassroots level started getting disturbed, the maximum impact of which was visible on the developing political system. In these arrangements, the competition between political parties for gaining power not only shook the social structure here, but also played a significant role in increasing the continuous social tension. An atmosphere of political instability was created in the system. In the name of handling these political environments and conducting the right operations, the policy interference by the rulers continue to increase to solve the problems, because certain problems developed in the society due to political conflict, political influence, political tension, etc. In the name of handling these political environments and conducting the right operations, the policy interference by the rulers continue to increase. In the name of law and order, development, industrialization, liberalization, globalization, the accountability of the rulers toward the society continue to increase. According to the socio-political needs and contextual changes, the increasing entry of government machinery into the society and the conditions of interactivity arising out of it are also important factors in the emergence and development of this new discipline. Under this new subject, study analysis of the activities, popularity, influence, stability, etc. of political elites, socio-economic activities, and in the light of the government steps taken by them to solve the problems, it has been possible to do it deeply at the elemental level. All these are the directly responsible for the development or emergence as a new discipline, that is political sociology. As a result of industrial revolution in the 20th century, the attitude of the processes of all political system has been improved to a great extent, because instead of the traditional sources of power and authority, the society is being considered as the real source of power. The division of power, power influence, leadership among different groups of people, the tendency of leaders to increase their socio-political status, and the competition to establish their supremacy over the system have played an important role in fueling social conflict and tension. In the light of this fact, new subjects like political sociology have been introduced due to the increasing effectiveness of legitimate state power in maintaining social integration, development of society, solving socio-economic problems, and ensuring 100% participation in power of all sections of society. It got the status of an important subject in the field of political science and sociology. This new subject has an important contribution in maintaining political, social, economic equation and in deep study of dynamic factual aspect related to it. Highlighting its origin and development journey, Bendix and Lipset have said that the theoretical framework of political sociology has not yet been fully developed, but in relation to the general areas of investigation, including social order, legitimacy, and consensus, only a set of implicit agreements has been able to develop. In this context, the emergence and development of political sociology is considered to be the result of efforts to find a solution to decades-long debates on whose study should be given priority and importance in the state or society. The growing closeness between political science and sociology to conclude the thematic researches on political sociology has made sociology a core part of modern political science. Where political scientists consider the study of political variables such as state, government, government structure, legislation, power, authority, influence, leadership, voting behavior, franchise, representation, etc. as basic and important in political sociology. Most of the sociologists in the study of political sociology gives more importance to sociological variables like social structure, community, caste, group, culture, etc. Due to this changed form of controversy, a new subject emerged which was given the name of political sociology. That means two types of variables studied under a common names of subject, that is known as political sociology, that is different branch of knowledge known as political sociology. One is political variables and second is social variables. So, on the basis of all these, we can say that the emergence of political sociology as a discipline is a post-World War II achievement. As a result of the emergence of behavioral revolution and the national international political scenario, inevitable conditions arose for the origin of its disciplined existence as an autonomous subject. Both political science and sociology have significant contribution in the emergence and development of political sociology. The term political sociology as a subject is prevalent after the Second World War. Karl Marx, the pioneer of social movements, is considered to be the founder of political sociology because of the flow of thought expressed in his concepts. The name of Auguste Comte, the father of modern sociology, is also noteworthy in its development as an autonomous discipline. Along with this, the intensive research study analysis of renowned scholars like Harold Lasswell, David Stern, Gabriel Almond, Lucien Pai, Coleman, Edward Shields, Wilfredo Pareto, Getmelo Masco, C. Wright Mills, Robert Michels, Emile Durkheim, etc. have contributed to the emergence and development of this new discipline, made an invaluable contribution to the development of this new branch of knowledge, that is political sociology. Political sociology is a branch of political science as well as a branch of sociology, that is known as mix of two social sciences, political science and sociology, and the new name is political sociology.